In the realm of royalty, where tradition and protocol often hold sway, Prince William is breaking barriers as a hands-on and confident father. Kensington Palace recently announced that the Princess of Wales, Catherine, will undergo planned abdominal surgery and remain at the London Clinic in Marylebone for up to 2 weeks. In her absence, Prince William has assumed the role of the primary caregiver for their 3 children, Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis. At 41 years old, Prince William is described as a modern father unafraid to navigate the challenges of solo parenting. Actively involved in his children's lives, he is familiar at school gates and family events. Sources close to the royal family emphasize his hands-on approach, indicating his capability in managing the family's routine while Catherine recovers in the hospital. The close-knit community at Lambrook, where the royal children attend school, is rallying around the family during this unexpected turn of events. William and Catherine's seamless integration into this supportive community, with fellow parents offering assistance, highlights their modern approach to parenting and their strong connections within Lambrook. What stands out is Prince William's commitment to putting family first. Departing from traditional norms, he has chosen to remain at home with the children, taking charge of their daily routines and responsibilities. The fact that he is willing to cancel engagements to prioritize his family's well-being speaks volumes about his dedication to modern fatherhood. In the past, it would have been uncommon for a member of the royal family, especially the Prince of Wales, to cancel engagements due to a spouse's health. However, Prince William's actions showcase a modern approach to royal responsibilities, where family takes precedence over official duty. While he shoulders the responsibility of caring for his children during this challenging period, it's reassuring to know that support is readily available if needed. The Lambrook community and the wider royal network stand by, ready to extend a helping hand to the future King of England. In the midst of uncertainty and concern, Prince William's modern fatherhood shines through, reflecting a broader shift toward more involved and hands-on parenting roles, breaking away from traditional constraints that have long defined royal life. In a surprising turn of events, King Charles paid a visit to his daughter-in-law, Princess Catherine, at the London Clinic, where she has been recovering from successful abdominal surgery for the past 11 days. Accompanied by Queen Camilla, this departure from traditional royal protocol marks a significant moment. Traditionally, Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip would enter hospitals alone. This visit coincides with King Charles's scheduled planned prostate surgery at the same private London hospital. The royal family has recently faced health challenges, with both the King and the Princess of Wales making significant health announcements. The simultaneous health announcements have sparked public interest and concern, leading to speculation that King Charles's visit aims to divert attention from Catherine's private recovery, allowing her the space and support needed during this challenging time. While the King, Princess Catherine, and Prince William navigate their health challenges, Queen Camilla has stepped up to fulfill solo engagements in Swindon and London. This showcases the resilience and adaptability of the royal family, with Queen Camilla taking on additional responsibilities in the absence of key members. As Princess Catherine continues her recovery, it is anticipated that she will not resume royal duties until after Easter. The ongoing support from her family, including Prince William, remains a crucial element of her healing process. The unexpected health developments within the royal family highlight the human side of royalty, emphasizing the importance of family support during times of illness and recovery.